This question is also a match matrix where the defect should be related to the manufacturing process. It's a kind of memory based, so we should know that Misrun is a casting defect where the molten metal solidifies before completely filling the molds. So suppose that this is a mold. So hot metal enters from here, and before reaching to this corner, it will solidify in this region. So there is a unsolidified region. Earring is related to deep drawing. It is a defect in deep drawing where wavy edges forms due to anisotropy in the sheet material, causing uneven material flow during drawing. So when the material flows, it's a kind of wrinkle forms here in the case of drawing. So this wrinkling or wavy edges is due to the anisotropy forms during the deep drawing. Alligatoring is a rolling defect where the metal splits along its length due to non-uniform deformation. So it's a kind of alligatoring process. Chevron is a extrusion defect where cracks forms in the V-shape pattern. So suppose that kind of V-shape, it's a crack formation, so it's called chevron. So for this we can say that it's 3, 4, 2, 1. So option B is correct for this question.